Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mayra Reyes and I will be giving you a presentation of what the next 3 days look like exploring Washington, D.C. Welcome again. Let's start. From my company, the Big Bus Tours, we want to welcome you to Washington, D.C., where you will be exploring the most famous landmarks in the capital of the United States. I hope you enjoy your staying. We're gonna start visiting the Washington Monument, which is located on 15th Street Northwest. First of all, let me tell you that you will be dropped off on the west wind. And if you want to explore, we want to make sure that you are at the same point to pick you up. Next, we will be visiting the Martin Luther King Jr., which is located on 121 West Basin Drive, Southwest. This landmark is located nearby where he had delivered his iconic speech many years ago. For the next day, we will be visiting the very famous Lincoln Memorial. People is always impressed by the huge monument in honor of the 6th President of the U.S. Next, we will be going to the famous wall of the Vietnam Veterans Memorial. The wall was built to honor service members of the U.S. Armed Forces. Next, of course, we will be visiting the White House, where if you're lucky, you will be met by the new president, Mr. Joe Biden. And for the last day, we want you to enjoy shopping at the very famous fashion center at Pentagon City. This is a very famous mall where there are famous stores, designer stores, where you can purchase many items on the same place. Finally, we want you to enjoy a very delicious dinner at the Potomac boat cruise. The famous monuments can be appreciated from another view while enjoying an exquisite dinner. I hope you enjoy it and welcome again, and we hope you visit us soon. Thank you.